everyone! Today I will be showing you two different methods that you can use to hang your wall hangings and other macrame artwork with. Let's get started. For the first method, you're just going to take a small piece of your scrap rope and tie it together to make a loop. And then you can trim the ends off so it's kind of a neat knot. And I like to do a triple standard knot just for extra security. So once you have your loop formed, all we're going to do is we're going to send it over our dowel rod. And we're doing this as if we were making a lark's head knot. So we send the piece through, give it a nice gentle tug like that, like you made a lark's head knot. And then what you can do is just turn this, kind of adjust as needed so your knot's kind of hidden. And you have a nice little hoop that you can hang your wall hangings from. Now this method is perfect if you want kind of a hidden hanger instead of one that is very visible. So I'm going to show you guys a little example on a project that I used this method for. Now let's move on to method number 2. So for method number 2, we're going to just need another piece of rope. And you're going to take it so the end here on the left is kind of short compared to the right. And then we're going to send it over our dowel rod with a lark's head knot. So again, it's folded in half here. Send it over. Send both the short and the long end through the loop. And give it a nice tug to tighten. Then we're going to tie a half knot. So I'm going to take the shorter side, cross it over, wrap it around, and pull it through the loop. And pull it tight. And then what I'm going to do is take my scissors and just trim off this short end. Just like that. Now I use the other end to form another lark's head knot. So I send it over my dowel rod, twist it around, then I send it behind the dowel rod, send that piece through the loop, and pull tight. Just like that. And now I'm going to tie another half knot. So again, that shorter piece goes around through the loop, give it a nice tug to tighten, and trim off the end. And this loop that we have here is what we'll use to hang. So you're just going to kind of rotate these lark's head knots like that, and you have something to hang your projects from. Again, I will show you an example of a project where I use this method. This is the method I use most often. But both are great to know as they give different effects to your projects. These are just ways that you can clean up your macrame work when hanging it so that it has a finished and great overall look. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.